Hello everyone, my name is Veronica Alfonso. In my presentation, I will be talking about the City of Corona budget, revenue, and expenditures, along with the current job posting in the City of Corona. Here you see a chart of the General Fund Review overview. It shows a breakdown and where it comes from. Total revenue is $141.6 million. Next is the general fund expenditures. It shows the expense breakdown from 2015 through 2018. Here you see the different job sites the City of Corona uses for job advertisement, and DWP, Simply Hire, Monster, and the city official website. Okay, so I found a job under the city official website, Public Safety Dispatcher. As a public safety dispatcher, their job duties are responsible for answering emergency and non-emergency calls, provide pre-arrival emergency medical instructions where needed, dispatching a variety of calls to police and fire, general clerical duties such as preparing a variety of records and reports. The minimum qualifications are have a high school diploma, be at least 18 years of age, type 40 words per minute, completed post the public safety dispatching course, and willing to work rotating shift, extended hours, holidays, weekends, and on-call status. Their pay salary monthly is $3,682 to $4,941. What I found most surprising was the City of Corona created an app called Citizens Tax Receipt and Balancing Act Budget Engagement app. So this app is to provide an estimate to Corona residents on where the tax dollar goes, how's it being spent, where the money comes from, and so on, so the residents can be part of the budgeting process. So this concludes my presentation. Thank you.